For the last 2 years, the biggest risk to your AI business hasn't been the technology. It's been vendor lock-in. You build your entire infrastructure on a proprietary model, and your data, your privacy, and your profit margins are entirely at their mercy. Today, that ends. Cohere just open-sourced Command A+, and it is a 218 billion parameter mixture of experts Titan designed specifically for enterprise reality. This is not a research toy. This is a fully open foundation model released under the Apache 2.0 license. It consolidates agentic reasoning, native citations, and multimodal document processing, meaning it can natively read PDFs, charts, and slides into a single endpoint. And because it utilizes a highly efficient mixture of experts architecture, it only uses 25 billion active parameters per token. This means you get the intelligence of a massive model, but thanks to lossless W4A4 quantization, you can run this entire beast locally on just 2 H100 GPUs. It is built to parse complex financial 10K contracts, execute flawless retrieval augmented generation, and operate entirely within your private cloud. But having an enterprise-grade model is useless if you don't have the architecture to deploy it and generate revenue. This is why I built the AI Money Forge. My private community of over 400 founders and developers isn't just watching AI news, we are building sovereign AI systems. I just dropped a massive new batch of automation lessons inside the classroom. When you join the Forge, you bypass the learning curve entirely. You get instant access to our AI Agent Systems Vault, the AI SEO Automation Vault, and the exact step-by-step standard operating procedures my team uses to build multi-agent workflows. And to execute these SOPs, you get VIP access to the Forge arsenal. I have spent thousands of hours building the ultimate curated index of over 1,100 AI tools, MCPs, and blueprints. Whether you are looking for the best frameworks for OpenClaw Core, integrations for Claude Code, or completely open source agent environments to run Command A+, it is meticulously categorized and waiting for you here. And if you are a high-ticket founder who wants my dev team to architect and build these autonomous systems for you, we have Forge Studio. But if you want the blueprints, the arsenal, and the community to build it yourself, hit the link in the description and join the Forge today. Now let's look at the benchmarks that are terrifying the competition. Look at this direct comparison. Meta's open-source Llama 3405 billion requires a massive cluster of at least 8 H100 GPUs just to run. Command A+ requires 2. It is delivering GPT-4 level intelligence with a 128,000 context window, but operating 2 times faster with 30% lower latency. And because you can deploy it on your terms using BF16, FP8, or highly compressed 4-bit quantizations, you achieve true sovereign AI. Zero backdoors, fully regulatory ready, and completely under your control. Look at this direct comparison. Meta's open-source Llama 3405 billion requires a massive cluster of at least 8 H100 GPUs just to run. Command A+ requires 2. It is delivering GPT-4 level intelligence with a 128,000 context window, but operating 2 times faster with 30% lower latency. And because you can deploy it on your terms using BF16, FP8, or highly compressed 4-bit quantizations, you achieve true sovereign AI. Zero backdoors, fully regulatory ready, and completely under your control. Cohere has essentially built the ultimate central nervous system for your business. It is up to 48% sharper on agentic and reasoning tasks than its predecessor. It delivers over 2 times the output speed, but most importantly, it was built from the ground up for function calling and structured output. It natively connects to your Google Drive, your secure Slack channels, and your private databases, extracting JSON data with perfect reliability. When you combine this foundation model with Cohere's North automation platform, you get a sovereign AI workplace. You can instantly deploy pre-built workflows for revenue scoping, complex contract analysis, and meeting summarizations that run entirely on your private hardware. Your data never leaves your walls. The future belongs to the businesses that own their intelligence layer. If you want the exact SOPs, the tools, and the community to help you build that layer today, click the first link in the description. Join the AI Money Forge, access the arsenal, and start building your autonomous empire. Keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.